Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for tuning in. This is your host, Pran CEO here at Gen Z Marketing. Today we'll be discussing digital marketing in Toronto, also known as the Six. So this buzzword has been thrown around a lot in the media. What exactly does it entail? Well, as digital marketing experts, here's our 2 cents. Like the name suggests, is basically marketing done over the internet. So using tools like social media, search engines like Google, and other channels to market. So basically, you watching this video, you've been subject to digital marketing. I know, pretty crazy. So you could be either targeted by YouTube ads, or maybe you found this video while searching for digital marketing in Toronto, in which you would have faced 3 different variations of digital marketing: SEO, search engine optimization; PPC, AdWords or Google AdWords; or the very unpopular display ads, also known as banner ads. So if you found us through Google or any other search engine, you probably were subject to SEO because we don't run PPC or display ads for ourselves, and search engine optimization is an organic way of bringing in traffic to our website. Social media ads, such as the ones you see on YouTube, on Instagram, and Facebook, are how you're being individually targeted. So, for example, for me being in the digital marketing field, I get targeted by these unknown Squarespace ads. Basically, I get targeted through YouTube, and then sometimes it transcends into banner ads on Google. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the beauty of social media marketing. It's just the tip of the iceberg. Make sure to check out other resources on our website to get a better understanding of digital marketing. Cheers. Hope you have a great day.